Our company is a typical company which produce the components and the parts for the energy sector and for the general industry, which is we deliver worldwide. First Doosan machine we bought in 2011, and is the reason it was that we have the good references for the Doosan machines, and the Doosan machines are also completely good for production of our products. It means that we have different kind of the Doosan machines. We make the many discussion with the Doosan technicians and specialists. I can now say approval that we are satisfied with these machines, and it's full good for our product range, and we produce in Doosan machines our products effectively with more efficiency than in previous. The Doosan machines are from the category high-tech. It means that it's very precious machines, and it's good power, and they can be used and for the different kind of the machining. Doosan machines are very friendly. Our workers which make the products on the Doosan machines, also from the point of view the maintenance, that is no problem, and is enough the standard steps for the maintenance. We have in this kind of the very good experiences with the big and good support from the Doosan technicians and the specialists. We have more than 20 Doosan machines. Doosan machines we meet and reach the high quality of our products, and also big efficiency by the machining process. For us, for the others will be Doosan the reliable partner.